Well, hello again, Internet. Corinne here, and yep, we're still here, hiding out in our home. It's actually been a while since I've posted a video here on ThreadBanger, and if you haven't been keeping up with the videos over on my personal channel, Rob just dyed my hairs purple again. I've been growing food in my own garden, helping to foster a revolution, and spending lots of time with my cats. Like a lot of time. I've also been spending my fair share of time looking at photos of other people's cats, and I realized that I really need to up my cat photo picture taken game. These are hilarious, and they're getting viewed millions of times. I'm thinking my cats really need to step up to the plate and start earning their keep around here.
What are you talking about, human? I just got us another brand deal from Audible.
What?
Yeah, we're sponsored by Audible.
But cats can't sign contracts. They don't have the opposable thumb. Hard to hold a pen.
Audible is perfect for taking a nice long bath and listening to my favorite titles like Dogs Drool and Cats Rule by Sir Arthur Butterbiscuit.
Yeah, that's not a real book. You actually do love listening to this cat mystery series. Our favorite thing to do in the morning is answer emails, drink our coffee, and listen to cat mystery novels. It's very relaxing.
He tipped his head to one side and gave me a pitiful look, made all the cider be.
Do me a favor. Go to audible.com/threadbanger or text threadbanger to 500-500 for a month free membership.
Hey, that's my line.
You will also get a free audio book and a huge monthly selection of Audible originals. There is really something for everybody.
Alrighty then, you ready for your close-up? Because today, we're gonna be attempting to achieve Instagram-worthy photo shoots of the cats. So,
let's get started, shall we?
Okay, so the first viral sensation we're going to attempt is, no, it's not COVID, is taking a turn on the catwalk. On the catwalk, meow. On the catwalk, meow. If you are not familiar with this beautiful internet sensation named Rover, you are missing out. How are they so regal? Can I get my cats to do this? We shall see. First thing you want to do is make sure you have the perfect shot, because you're not going to have many shots at this. Oh, and of course, make sure to have your treats ready to go. Next up, the wardrobe. We want to try the pumpkin first? All right, let's get it on. Oh, you love your pumpkin outfit. Oh, you love it. I mean, it's not very seasonal appropriate, but it's one of the only outfits we have. Put this part on. Okay. We look cute. What do you think? Are you ready to take your turn on the catwalk? Nice. Get a treat. Come here. Come on. Come here. Oh, wait. Not supposed to lay down in the middle of the catwalk. Maybe we don't like this outfit so much. All right, let's try the cape. Our cape's a little wrinkled. I'm gonna have to iron it. Can't have a wrinkled cape on the catwalk. We put our little cape on like this. We put our little cape on like this. Dun, 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 dun. Love your little cape. You purr the whole time. Sit you right down here. Stay right there. Stay right there. Stay. And then we're gonna come back. All right. Wait, what's happening? Hey, come here, come on. Hey, come here. You're doing so good. You're doing so good, my little angel poof. Beautiful work. Can we give it one more go? Come on. I mean, that was a pretty solid performance. All right, is that it? I think my Meowdle is officially over it. She won't even look at me. Yeah, I'm not sure the catwalk is really our thing. She's really tailing me off right now. For our next attempt at creating quality cat tent, I'm gonna be attempting something I saw on Instagram. Unfortunately, I didn't save it and I have no reference photo to show you. So if you end up knowing what I'm talking about, hit me up in the comments down below. I've been searching for days. Essentially, they created a white backdrop, added some colorful lighting and some pillow stuffing, and poof! They had themselves a galaxy cat photo shoot. Obviously, I want to try that. So let's do it. First thing we have to do is gather supplies from the basement. A lot of you probably won't have these things, but you know, you can make it work. C-stand and clamps? Check. Colorful lighting? Check. Going to the guest house for a sheet and a pillow because no one is ever staying here again? Check. As you can see here, I've set up our C-stand. See what I did there? Now we just put up the sheet like so, add our lights, ooh, ah. And lastly, relieve our pillow of its innards. Whoa.
Wow.
It's really...
Don't hurt yourself.
It's really hard to stab. It does feel good though.
There's no holes. Wow. There's nothing happening.
These are the worst scissors ever.
Why don't you get a knife? All right. Attempt number 2. That's it?
It's hard to do that. Oh, it's a lot of stuffing. You gotta make it look like clouds. It's definitely not a fire hazard. Oh yeah, galaxy clouds. Here we go. I'm floating through the sky. No? Okay. Are you ready for it?
Oh, I'm ready. Whoa. Oh, shit. That looks real cool.
That's definitely a galaxy kitty photo shoot if I've ever seen one.
Yeah.
I think it's time to get our Meowdle. We're ready for you, Meow. It's already so cute. Oh, right there, right there. I'm not getting a good shot because the lighting's terrible. Say hi. Get her attention. Can you try to get her? Oh, that's cute. Nope.
Ooh.
Right here.
Do a little turnaround. We'll look over the shoulder.
That's solid.
Work it. Work it. Oh yeah. Give me some more of that tail.
Tell me about it.
Give me. Oh yeah. Give me that look. Look. Oh no. No. No.
Oh, we lost our Meowdle.
Oh. Oh.
Where'd you go?
She's taking a break. She's taking a 5.
She needs a 5er. Me too. This is hard work.
Whew. Yeah.
This is all you work for is one little treat? Want that? Get the treat? Right here. Come on. Come on.
We got it.
You're so cute. You did it. Oh my god. For our last and final attempt, we're gonna be trying cat head cardboard art. But we're gonna need Rob's help for this because I suck at drawing.
All right, so the first thing I need to do is measure the cat and how tall it stands, so that way its head can go through the hole. How tall are you? You don't know. 9 inches. 10 inches. I'm going for 10 inches. And we got the box here. It's a pretty big box. And what I'm gonna do is just measure 10 inches up from the bottom and then just draw a little circle. And I'll do one on this side. I'll do one on this side. And then once we got that, I'm gonna perforate this here so I know where to cut. And then I'm just gonna draw around this. I've been really liking the dinosaur one. I don't know if you've seen that one. I'm a big fan of dinosaurs. I've got one in my backyard. It's right there. I got a dinosaur right there. So I'm gonna make, I think that's gonna be the first one that I'm gonna do right here. Maybe like a little Tyrannosaurus Rex action for the cat. Tyrannicatosaurus something. Okay, all right, I don't know. All right, Corinne really likes this B1, so we're gonna try this one out next. You look like the cat in it, so yeah, you do. Yeah, all right, I'm gonna try it out. This one's super easy. It's just a bee. I'm sketching it out the same as the last one and then going over it with a little Sharpie and then some paint. I'm adding some wing details, a little stinger, and I'm done. What do you think? Yeah. All right, we got our bee. We got our dinosaur. Next, we just cut out our faces. All right, I don't know the size of the cat's head, but I'm gonna make it a little bit smaller. And if I need to adjust later, I will. All right, hopefully that works. You wanna try it out? Is that big enough for your head? Let me see, come here. I don't know if that's gonna work. You can fit your head through that, right? Let me see, come here. Yeah, maybe it needs to be a little bit bigger. I don't know, we'll find out. All right, I've done it. I've made my cat contraption here. I've put the box inside of the bathroom, and I'm going to put the cat in the bathroom and hope she will poke her head out through this little hole. And maybe, hopefully we will get a picture. I'm just hoping to get a still picture. That's it. If I can get this bee one, that would be great. If I can get the dinosaur one, even better. You could do this, you up to it? You ready to be a bee? All right, well, we're gonna attempt to see if this works. Got the cameras rolling.
Coming in from the other side. What's going on in here?
Well, she's about to become a bee.
Are you gonna be a bee?
Oh, this is gonna be cute. Just put her down in the center of the bathroom and then boom. Okay.
Are you gonna be a good bee?
Here we go. Here comes the magic. Nope. Okay. Okay. Oh. I guess that hole was a little too big. Treats for the treat. You do something for me, I do something for you. How about that? I need you to stick your head through a little hole. Yeah? You willing to work with me? No? Help me out here. All right, maybe this whole bathroom thing, maybe that's not working. What about this? We got treats here. We got treats here. Where'd you go? Where'd you go? We were having a good time. Hey, come back here. I think she's really gonna like the dinosaur. One last attempt here. Maybe this hole is a little bit smaller. I don't know, it seems like she could fit through anything. You've always wanted to be a dinosaur, I know it. I'm not gonna force you. I'm not gonna force your head through it. Take a look. You know you want to. Come on. Yeah. Oh yeah.
There it is. Oh, that was a close one.
Hey, Hey, what's up? Do I look like a Tyrannosaurus Rex or what? Hey!
It looks ridiculous.
I couldn't get her. I couldn't get her to do the dinosaur.
I mean, it doesn't look very comfortable or like something a cat would naturally do.
No?
No. See, the thing is, with these types of situations, unless you're forcefully trying to shove your little cat's head through a tiny hole, it's probably not gonna work out. No shade to the people that have already done it. Maybe your cat's really into putting its head through little tiny holes, but Zelda didn't really seem to like it. Rob, on the other hand, seemed to enjoy it. Speaking of which, you will notice Big Kitty was nowhere to be found. She would not like any of this. Know your kitty. Zelda is a little weirdo and likes to wear capes and romp around in Galaxyland. She takes after her mother. I'm so proud. Thank you for attending my cat talk. Well, I guess that just about does it for this video. As always, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to leave a comment below letting us know who you think achieved the best photo shoot outcome. Also, if you want to try Audible for a month free, don't forget to click on this link, audible.com/ThreadBanger, or text ThreadBanger to 500 500. And until next time, bye-bye.